Hi, my name's Paul Croft. I'm a director of 3D GBRE, Ultimaker GB, and the founder of the Create Education project. I've been involved in 3D printing for nearly 9 years now, and in the last 12 months we've seen an unprecedented rise in the understanding of the potential of this industry, whether it's using it for rapid development of ventilators, production of PPE, or helping businesses keep their doors open when supply chains have been affected. 3D printing really is starting to fulfill its potential. So, what do we know about 3D printing? We know that the predominant type of 3D printing that's in the market right now is FFF. We know that in order to get the best out of this technology, it's about the synergy between hardware, software, materials, and of course people. And what we're really excited about is the potential that Teton SmartSlice unlocks. Who's going to benefit from this? Well, anybody who's an advanced user of this that is looking to unlock the potential of multiple materials, is looking to reduce their iteration cycle when it comes to using advanced materials or looking for functional parts, but also people that are looking to save FTE in terms of people on the ground having to monitor these printers for print failures or to do the part testing afterwards. A lot of this can now be done via simulation thanks to the wonderful solution that Teton have brought to offer. From my point of view, everybody can benefit from this. If you're new to the technology, then missing out on a lot of the pain of going through various iterations and tweaking settings, choosing the wrong material or the wrong settings for a functional part, removing that pain can help people adopt it even quicker. If you're an advanced user and you're looking to shorten that iteration cycle and explore the potential that new materials brings to the table, then this again is a great place to start. We're already seeing people save 50 hours of print time. We're seeing customers save over 30% of costs on projects. What are you going to do with SmartSlice? You can sign up today for a free trial of SmartSlice on the 3D GBRE website, or you can book an appointment to speak to one of our consultants to find out how you can get the best out of this game-changing technology.